So today I'm going to show you how to make glitter numbers. You're going to need paper. This is to catch the glitter. You'll need a number made of MDF or paper mache. You'll also need Mod Podge and a brush to apply the Mod Podge. I used the gloss range in the Mod Podge. You're also going to need glitter. So first you're going to want to start to apply the Mod Podge around the edge of the number. Make sure that it's nice and smooth and that it doesn't clump, because you'll see this when you apply the glitter later. So once you've finished applying the Mod Podge to the edges, you're going to want to paint the main body of the number. Again, make sure it doesn't clump, but you need to apply enough Mod Podge so that the glitter will stick. So once you've glued one side, you're going to want to use the glitter to pour over the number. This is where the paper comes in handy, because all the excess glitter gets caught and you can use the paper to re-pour onto the number again. So now the number's covered in glitter, we're going to want to shake the excess off. Put the number onto the clean piece of paper. Fold the paper with the excess glitter in half and use it as a funnel to pour the glitter onto the number and get all the sides in. Again, the other piece of paper will catch the glitter. And just keep doing this over again until you have finished and the number is fully covered in glitter. So once it's done, you want to go around and check for bits that you've missed where the Mod Podge just dried earlier, and then reapply the Mod Podge. Dip your brush back into the glitter and just add it on to the number. Do this to all the parts that have been missed around the number. Quite a bit's been missed in the middle. It's just where the Mod Podge is dried, so you just need to reapply it. And when you're doing it, make sure it's smooth again and that there's no clumps. So once that's done, you want to leave it until the glue is dried and then come back to it. So now that it's dry to touch, you're going to want to turn the number over and do the exact same on the other side. So now the glitter's been applied to both sides and it's fully dry, you're going to want to coat the entire thing with Mod Podge. So we'll move the glitter to the side and we're going to do one side of the number first. And again, make sure that the Mod Podge doesn't clump. And it is a clear Mod Podge, you can still see the lines that go down the number, so tend to do it all in the same direction. When it's finished, smooth it all out again just to make sure that there is no clumps and leave it to dry. Then once it's dry, we'll come back to it and do the other side. So now that the number's dry to touch, the glitter won't fall off it at all. So we're going to want to flip it over and then do the same on this side. Again, leave it to dry and then come back to it when it's dried. So this is the finished result once all the glue has dried. The number's smooth to touch and the glitter doesn't fall off it in any way. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.